Hey guys, am I audible? Hey guys, there is some network problem. I can see we could not connect, so I have to reconnect again. Just want to confirm that network is fine. Am I audible? Hi, good morning, Ajay. There was a network issue, so we just got disconnected for some time. Again, we are back. Hi, Samarendra. Say good morning. Guys, can you hear me? Am I audible? All right, good. I'm visible also, right? I'm the center of the person, or do you find I'm? Yes. Hi, Parvati. Good morning. Sorry, guys, some network problems. So got this for some temporary distraction. All right. So let's start it, guys. Today we're going to do the lower body workout. Before that, I hope all of you have a water bottle and the towel ready, and also a mat. Are you ready with everything? Are you ready with the water bottle and a towel and a mat as well? Say yes. Looks like there's some network issue at your end or maybe my side. Alright, good guys. Let's get started with some of the best lower body workout. Okay. If I'm not audible, let me know. If I'm not visible, let me know. And if you want me to change my position, that also let me know. Okay. Should we start, guys? Are you good to get started? I see there is some delay in the comments. Let me know if things are fine. Is there an issue in streaming? Everybody able to hear me? Please type from which place you belong to, and maybe you can type how is the weather outside. Is it good? In Bangalore, in my place is cloudy. It might rain anytime. So today I decided to do it indoors. You can also tell how do you feel today. Are you feeling happy, excited? We can have started. Good guys. Oh, there is some issue in mobile. I see the messages coming very nice. Hi Salendra, good morning. Guys, good rain in Kerala. Wow, awesome. That's great. All right. I think there are a lot of messages now I'm seeing now. There's some network delay was there. Great. Good morning, Salendra. Good morning, Samarendra. Everybody's good morning. Uma, good morning. Rainy in Kerala. That's fun, guys. Okay. All right. So get started with the warm up today. By the way, I hope all of you are ready with your mat and water bottle and towel as well. We'll do some good lower body workout. So when I say lower body workout, what I'm going to do today is work on your lower part of the body, hamstring, quads, and your legs. You know, everything. So today your legs are maybe a little tiring at the end of it, but yeah. Right, okay. So we'll do first warm up. We'll do four set of warm up. So each of the set will do 2 times. Okay. So there'll be four circuit 2 times, and they'll do main exercise that will do 4 times. Okay. So I'll just quickly take you through the warm up. If you find any difficulty, let me know. We'll make it easy. Also, we'll make something beginner version, do something advanced version, do everything. So we'll make it easy for you. It will definitely you'll enjoy. Okay. Good morning, Julie. Good morning, Priyanka. Good to see all of you guys. So let's get started with the warm up. First, I'll say the instructions. Then after that, we'll do at least 10 times warm up. Okay. Each of the circuit will do 10 times. Okay. Let's just start. So how to warm up? Warm up is a very important part of your workout, because unless you do warm up, your body will not get ready for the main exercise. You will not feel the punch moving forward. So let's start the boxer shuffle. Boxer shuffle is jogging at your place. Little movement like this. This is a boxer shuffle. Okay, just a quick instructions I'm giving you. I'm not doing now, just giving instructions. Next, after boxer shuffle, what we'll do is we'll do butt kicks. If you can't do very fast butt kicks, just do slow, do it easy, like this. This is butt kicks. We'll do 10 times. So boxer shuffle 10 times, butt kick 10 times. Done. Next is in and out steps. Okay. So stand still like this. Or like this. So stand still like this. Move like this and move like this. Like this. It's opening your hips. It's a lower body workout. So make sure your legs are opening, your hips are opening. This is another in and out steps. And finally, what I'm gonna do is we'll do straight jack. Straight jack is a different form of jumping jack or plank jack. Straight jack is like this. Alright. So these are the 4 circuit. I know some of them are new to you, maybe in and out steps and straight jack, but you'll enjoy. It's something fun. Good morning Divya, good morning Jyotiranjan, good morning Sanjay. Alright. Are you good guys? Should we get started now with the warm up? Let's get started now. I mean, just finish the warm up, then get to the main exciting main exercises. So, are you good now? We'll get started. I hope all of you are ready now to get started with the warm up. Okay, let's get started. Good morning Brahma. Good to see you guys. Alright, so boxer shuffle 10 times. So I'll count. Okay, boxer shuffle 10 times each side. So while you're doing it, your body is moving. Look at me. Body shuffling. Little jog at the side place, shuffling side to side, moving the legs. Back is straight, core is getting engaged. Chin up, chest out, moving side to side, side to side. Good exercise. And from here, what we'll do is we'll directly move to butt kicks. Again 10 times. Pretty simple exercise. Start doing it guys, a lot of fun. If you can't do butt kicks, it's a normal version, make it easy. Like this, easy version. Kick by butts. Keep kicking. I hope you enjoy it. It's one of the best exercise. Moves your lats, moves your legs. Give you the pump, going forward for the main exercise. Okay. Done. Then what we'll do is we'll do in and out steps. In and out steps. I hope all of you are enjoying. Brahmananda, great. Nitish, good morning. Nitish Singh, good. So I'm doing just quickly the warm up part. It's very easy warm up, 2 sets. Then you'll count how many times you have done. Keep counting how many times you're doing the warm up. So all the 4 sets, keep counting how many times you're doing it. So my boxer shuffle and butt kicks are 10 times done. Now I'm going to move to in and out steps 10 times. And after that, straight jack also 10 times. This is the second one. Third, it's so simple. So your hips are opening. You can feel it. This is awesome, guys. Makes you feel good. Lower body cardio today. Your legs should be on fire. Your hamstring will be on fire. Keep counting how many times you are doing each of this. I am counting, almost done 7 times. This is the 8th one, and this is the 9th. Observe the movements, guys. 10. Good. So we are done with 3rd set as well. Great. So now let's move to straight jack. Straight jack 10 times. Done. Oh, that's awesome, guys. I'm done with the warm-up. First set. We'll start with the second set. Have you done, guys? Type how many times you have done each of the set. Good morning, Priyanka. Good morning, Ashish Misra. We'll also start some movie music in between so that you enjoy. I'm just looking at it. I hope all of you can see me. I hope all of you are enjoying. Let me know if you are not able to catch up. If something getting difficult, we'll do one more round of warm-up, then we'll move to the main exercise. I'm excited. I hope all of you are excited. Thank God it's Friday. And we are not sleeping today because the weekend is coming. We are just doing workout. We are enjoying. And today, if you do the workout in the morning, your whole day will go well. All right. Please type how many times you have done each of the set. Before I move to the last set of warm-up, I just want to know how many times you have done. Please type. If you can, that's really great. Enjoying warm-up, that's great. All 4 sets 10 times. Great. Someone is 15, 10, 10, 15. That's good. Awesome. Enjoy the warm-up. Good. I see you will feel some droplets of sweat on your face and your body as well. Okay. Let's now do the second round of warm-up, the last round of warm-up. Because the main exercise is going to be a lot of fun. I want you to save the energy for the main exercise. So finish the warm-up very fast and move to the main exercise. Okay. So get ready, guys. You can type your data. I'll just start with the second set and last set of warm-up. Okay. Boxer shuffle. Just, you know how this PT days in the school days used to do like this? Part of NCC or something, like a boxer shuffle, like that. Mostly the same. Fun. You enjoy it. Gives you critic. That's awesome. Now from here I'll move to butt kicks. Moving fast. Fast, guys. Can't move it fast. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Or a kick and butt. Just put it down. Quick warm up. Done. In and out steps. Each leg, opening the hip, closing the hip. Opening the hip, closing the hip. Opening the hip, closing the hip. See that? 6, 7. So both left and right is 1. It's not like left side 5, right side 5. Oh, boy, that's good. I am getting warmed up. Good, straight jack. You are like a snake, like a cobra. Anybody comes and anything says against you, you are going to give it back. Done. Done with the warm-up, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed the warm-up. We move to the main exercise. Okay, great. So Devashish, all 4 set 10 times. That's great. 10 is great. That was the expected thing. Enjoy the warm-up. Samarendra 15, 10, 10, 15. Good. Ajay 10 all. Great. Divya CR 10 times. Awesome. Hi Jyoti, good morning. Just started with the finish the warm-up. You can little bit do butt kicks and plank jack or jumping jack and move to the main exercise. Great guys. Have some water. 30-second break before you move to the main exercise. Maybe you can take 1 minute break also. So enjoy the warm-up guys. Did you enjoy the warm-up? Feeling little sweat? But are you guys doing indoors or outdoors? Are you doing exercise indoors or outdoors? Today I'm indoors, not outdoors because it might rain today. So I thought no, better do it indoors. But I'm enjoying indoor thing, it's good. 10 all from Sailendra, great, awesome. All right, indoor, awesome. You also enjoy like me. So all are used to this indoor thing, all this working from home is indoor, family is indoor, all the stuff is indoor. So why not doing the workout also indoors? Yeah, awesome, great. We all are in the same page. Devasi is telling I am also doing indoor. Awesome guys, great. So let's get started with the main exercise. I hope all of you are ready now. If you're not ready, let me know. If you're ready, say yes, I'm ready. If you're ready, say yes. I want to see just here one yes. That's it. I am good to go. Say yes. Who is going to say first? Divya is telling indoor. Yes, that's good. Athira, great, awesome. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do today? Someone also yes, great guys. So in main exercise, we'll do 4 different movements. First movement, let me explain you one by one. First movement we will do pulse squat. Okay, let me explain what is pulse squat. Pulse squat is basically strengthening of your thighs, okay, your hamstring, your quads, and your overall body. What happens in pulse squat? Then after that we will do alternating lunges. Then we move to the single leg straight, single leg breeze, and 4th one is the quad rocker. So all these 4 exercises are great exercise. One of them will be relaxing, other 3 will not be relaxing. So let me show you what is pulse squat. Okay. So in pulse squat, keep your legs a little wide, keep your back straight, keep your body straight, okay? It's good for your body, good for your posture, good for agility, good for movements, everything, okay? You can be like this or any pose you want. So these are my knees. I'll bend my knees. See, my hips are just below the knees, okay? I keep on pulsing. This pulse squat. I know it's not easy by the way. You see the movements, you see the leg thigh muscles moving. And if you can't do this, simple one is basically like this. Stay like this. Move at your speed. Okay? So 1, 2, 3 like this. It's not easy. I'll keep it 10 times. Pulse squat is not easy because it puts a lot of, your legs will start moving. You'll feel, but it's very good for posture, it's good for your movements, balancing the body and everything. Okay, I've already got it. Next is alternating forward lunge. Okay, what is this exercise? See, it's very good exercise for lower body because it helps in all movements, forward movements like walking, running. It will increase your effectiveness. Okay, alternative forward lunges. Let me show you how it goes. Be like this. Keep your legs little far. Now see here. I'm just moving my leg like this and keeping other leg. You don't have to keep it on the ground, little above. Okay, so I'm keeping it on my heels. One leg I take forward and keep on the heels. Then like this. Again on the heels and coming back. Similarly, other leg. Got it? So you're moving one leg, keeping on the heels, other knee just keeping this little bit above the ground, and other way around. Now, if you cannot do this, make it easy. Little bit, not complete. You know, moving this leg completely down is little difficult for you. Then keep it little above. Okay. The other leg. Little easier one. Maybe you can do little less reps, but you should do it. It's a great exercise. Now that's alternative forward lunge. Next, single leg breeze. Easy one. I can show you how a breeze looks like. Okay, let's look at this. This is like a breeze. Okay, this is like a breeze. Okay, single leg breeze. Now, what do you do here? Okay, you keep your hips on the ground. This leg like this, and these both legs on the same plane. One leg is straight. Then getting it, guys? So making a breeze. Are you able to do it? You are trying to make a breeze because this area looks like a breeze. Okay. Try to keep it straight. I know it's not easy. How far you can go, your feet can touch the roof. This is single leg breeze. Fun, guys. I hope you got it. Moving to quad ruckers. Alright, good morning, guys. Samir Khandelwal, good morning, everybody. How are you? Alright, guys. Sasikan, good morning. Great. Let's move to quad ruckers. Quad ruckers is a lot of fun, guys. What you need to do is simple. Be on your palm, all four. Okay? And your knees little above the ground, little above. Okay? And you're extending your arms. I'll tell you how. Like this. Your knees are little above. Extending this. Your hips and hamstring are touching each other. Then extending the hips. Ooh. Lot of fun, guys. This exercise will work big time on your thighs muscles, quad ruckers. It's not easy. If you can't do it, easier one is keep your keep your knees on the floor and keep moving like this. Keep moving like this. And the real one is keep it above. Then that is where you get the fun. Oh. That is the exercise, guys. I hope all of you got it. Oh. Guys, how is that? Do you find it a little difficult today or it's easy? I think all are good actually. For your legs, for your lat, for hamstring, quads. Are you good to go with the first exercise of the day? And remember, count how many times you're doing it. It's very important. So have some water now, 30-second break. We'll start with the main exercise, first set. You can type the data at the end of each set or make it do at the end, doesn't matter. But remember and don't forget to type. We're good to go now. The first main exercise. I hope all of you are ready. Please say yes. I'm good to go if one person says yes, or maybe a few more. Looks like you guys are still doing exercise. It's not exercise, it was just instructions. Yeah, great. Alright, guys. Alright, great. So let's start with the first exercise. Count 10 times at least. Minimum 10 times you have to do. And each of this set we have to do 10 times. Okay. So what is the first thing? We'll start pulse squat. 10 to 15 based on your how much you can do. Okay. I'll start the pulse squat. Keep your hands tight, keep your back straight, chin up, and your back should be straight. Your back should not be bending like this. Most people do squat like this. This is wrong. Don't do like this. Keep your body straight. Your knees should, your hips should go below the knee and up. See. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me do 12 times. We have to do 4 sets by the way, so I want to do it little slow. All range of motions, and all kind of motions you can do. Little slow, but keep building up, keep building up, keep building up. Okay, good guys. So do the first one, which is pulse squat. I hope all of us could do it. Pulse squat. Yeah. Yes, Parvati, good. Shalendra, good. Athira, great. Manoj, Manju, great. Yes. So all of you are able to do pulse squat 10 times. How many times you have done, guys? Did you 10 times or 5 times or 8 times or 12 times? Looks like you're doing pulse squat. You are pulsing up and down. Your body is pulsing and you are enjoying it. 10 times. That's awesome. Some of them 15 times. Great. Great guys. Save the energy for 4th set. Okay, great. So move to next one, which is the alternate lunges. Okay. So there's so many exercises you tend to forget. Remember, we're doing pulse squat and move to alternate lunge and next 2 exercises. So alternative forward lunges. This is one. Very good for the movements. Walk, run. Increase your stamina. See, your body should not bend from the hips. You should be straight. Chest out. Back straight. Don't bend your back. Keep it straight. Try to touch the ground. If not, it's okay. Easy one is where you don't move much. Little bit of joint pain, back pain. Little less movements. Maybe little bending, not much. But we're good to go. Go all the way. Ooh, enjoy, man. This is giving me a good kick here. Boy, that's good. 10 times done, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Ooh. Guys, that's good. You can type, or if you're lost in workout, don't type, wait till the last, then you can type, I'm okay. Awesome, guys. How many times have done? Alternative forward lunge. So there are a lot of lunges: backward lunge, forward lunge, reverse lunge, side lunge. We are just doing forward lunge for now. Maybe next time we'll do something else. But lunges are good exercise for your legs. Very good exercise. If you have a dumbbell, that's good. If not, your body weight is good enough. Your legs, you'll find your thigh muscles getting tighter over a period of time. You keep doing lunges. Brahmananda is 15. That's awesome, Brahmananda. Samananda is 14. That's good. Good to go, guys. Next is single leg brace. Lie down. Keep your legs straight and keep on lifting your glutes. Oh, it's not easy, guys. This actually gives you, it looks easy, it's not easy actually. You have to come up. Ooh. See, keeping your legs straight, looking up. So 10 times each side you should do it. Single leg breeze. So now lifting off myself, making a breeze. That's what name is like this. Done. Good exercise, good movements. You will feel the sweat. Awesome. Manju is 15 times. Parvati is 15. All guys you are hitting over the roof. I told 10 times, you're doing 15 times. Going extra mile. You guys are bright students. You're doing great. Salendra is 10, Priyanka is 12. Great guys. So, 15-second break and we'll move to next one, which is quad ruckers. Quad ruckers is a fun, guys. You might find it difficult initially. If you find it difficult, keep your knees on the ground. If not, do it right. It's a lot of fun. Quad ruckers. Okay. So start with quad ruckers. Meanwhile, you can type how many times you're doing it. I'll keep watching the comments. I'll go ahead with the quad ruckers now. You also get started. Okay. Extend your arms. Extend your arms. Again, I just give an instruction. Keep your knees 1 inch above the ground and extend your arms. Extend the yoga position, you know. Mostly child pose, little knees above and extend. See, when I'm extending, my body is extending completely out. Leaves and hamstring connecting and extending. This is the fun, guys. Quad ruckers. 10 times. 10 times quad ruckers, guys. Hip push back and hamstring moving. How's that? We're done with the first set, guys. And we're 30 minutes to go, 25 minutes. So before that, we can finish 3 more rounds. Dibya is 15, Brahmananda is 15. Have you started feeling the sweat? Little bit. Each leg 7 times, awesome. 7 times, 15 times, that's good. So are you done with the first set, guys? Say yes or no. First circuit is over. Then move to the second circuit, then move to the third circuit, and move to the fourth circuit. I'll wait till you say yes. I'll not start the second circuit, second set, unless you say yes. Devas is 15. I forgot to play the music today, man. We are lost in a workout, sometimes you forget the music. It's okay, we can still continue. You can still play the music. Music will keep playing, guys, but the music should be in the mind, not outside. Your mind should play the music to enjoy the workout. And that is what is happening right now. All of you are now having the music in your mind. The count is actually the music. This is what you need to focus, guys. Your focus should not be in anything else. Not on your office, not on Corona, not anything else. You should be here, mentally present. That is the music of the life. Great, guys. Priyanka Verma, you are 20. Manju 10. Parvati 10. Great, guys. Are you done with the first set? Are you done with the first set? So we move to the second set, guys. If you say yes, then we'll move. We'll start with that. Priyanka Mahanti, Jyotiranjan Patnaik. Are you a family? Both of you are doing it? Only Jyotiranjan is doing it. If both are doing it, 10 plus 10. If one of you doing it, 10. By the way, I suggest, if you can bring your spouse, it will be great. We can do some partner workout on other days. Because you want to be fit, why do we want your spouse not to be fit? Or maybe your partner. Your partner may not be after spouse all the time. It can be your maybe kid or one of any parents, anybody. So it can be a partner workout, buddy workout. That will be a lot of fun. Yeah. Should we move to the second set, guys? Yes. Someone else says yes. Anybody else saying yes? All right. We'll move to the second. We'll do so much exercise today. Great. Pulse squat. 3, 4. See, your back should not bend at all. Your back should be straight. Don't move, bend your back. Your spine, back should be straight. Chin up and pulsing up and down. Whew. Pulse squat. Great. 10 times, guys. Just do 10 times. I want you to do 4 set. If you do 20 times, you may not be able to do 4 set. I would want to do it 10 times. More number of repetitions. More number of set. Okay. You can type, or maybe you can wait till you finish all the 4 exercises. Next, alternative forward lunge. Take your time, guys. You want to give a break in between. It's okay to take a break. 1, 2, 3. See, my knees almost going touching the ground. That is your right to your doing lunge. Not bending your back. Oh, boy. Done, guys. 2 exercises done. 2 more are pending. You can type or you can wait for some more time till finish next 2 single leg breeze. Are you able to do it, guys? Single leg breeze now, next will start. Keep doing it. You can type later also end of 1 set. No issues, I'm okay with that if you are busy doing exercise. Let's start with a single leg breeze. Little music when you read. You can do this way also, other way also, no problem. Lifting your elbows also okay. Anything you're comfortable. Ideally you should lift it. Try to touch the maximum. Move the max. Oh. Done. Whew. Good, guys. We'll do this last exercise for the second set. These quad ruckers. So I'm not taking too much of break. Maybe 10-15 second break. I want to do maximum sets. And at the end of each set, we'll do a little break, 30-second break. So we can do at least 3 to 4 sets in this time. You can slow down and I'll wait for you after each set. So nothing to worry, I'm running away. Oh. Oh, oh my gosh. That's awesome, guys. Two set. We're done with two set, guys. Are you done, Achal? Or how many repetitions you have done? Please type how many times you have done. We're done with the second set. Now move to the third set. Maybe we'll do three sets today. I have to wind up before 1 hour. And the third set we'll do 10 times. 10 to 12 times again. Are you done with the second set, guys? If not, let me know. Devasmita Das, welcome. Ajay Joseph, 10, 15, 15, 10, 15, 15. Great. Salinder 10 each. Ashish 10. Ashish, you missed one set. One exercise missed, I think. You missed only 3 times. Somewhere in that 17, 15, 10, 12. Great, guys. So move to the third set. After third set, if your time is there, you can do fourth. If not, we'll close. Alright, guys. Have you started sweating? Are you enjoying now? Take some water. Check it out, kick it out. Devasi is 20, 10, 8, 22. Great. Divya 15 all. Great, guys. I'm proud of you. Great. Should we move to the third set now? I hope all of you are enjoying whole process. Good to go for the third set, guys. Say yes. I want to dry up a little bit. We're not done with the exercise. We still have to go 1 or 2 rounds more. Okay, let's start with the third set. And we'll have a lot of fun, guys. Because this is possibly the last, or maybe one more will go. That's it. Alright. Pulse squat. 10 times. I know your knees are retired, your legs are retired, but you are not gonna retire, guys. You are not gonna retire. You'll do less times, but you'll do it. Oh, shut it up, man. Pick it out. Next, alternating lunges. 10 times you can do less times also. I'll do all 4 at a time so that you can finish everything without much of break. If you need a break, take some rest. It's okay how many times you're doing it, just do it. Do 5 times, do 6 times, do 7 times, do it. Do it, guys, do it. You do it, you'll enjoy it. If you don't do it, you'll miss it out. Okay? 15-second break. Check it out. Make sure to go to single leg breeze. Alright. Keep counting how many times you're doing it. Keep counting, guys. Counting is very important. Each side 10 times. Oh boy, that's good. Keep a lesson. Keep lifting it. How much do I lift? Keep a breeze. Boy, that's fun. 10 times done. going doing this, guys? Are you enjoying? So far, last one, that is quad ruckers. Quad ruckers, and we'll finish the third set as well. Let's start the quad ruckers. You can slow down in between if you want. 15-second break for each of us. Just 10 times. Your hips and your hamstring are touching, then your hips are extending over. I know it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. Good, we are done with the third set, guys. Are you also done? I'll wait for you. If you're not done yet, you can type how many times I've done. We started a little late today, 5 minutes late. So we are done with 45 minutes of exercise. If you have time, we can do last set. Maybe let's less repetition. Last set, 5 repetitions may be good. If you're okay, or you can do cool down now. I'll ask you guys. Meanwhile, you can put down how many times you have done for the third set. Third set, how many times you have done, you type it and tell whether you want a last set of lesser repetitions or you want to do cool down. 2 things I want from you to hear from you. "10, 15, 10, 12, that's awesome. Lali done. Somewhere in that 15, 16, 12, 12. Great, great guys. One more set, great. So what we'll do is, guys, we'll do lesser repetitions because we want to close in 1 hour. We'll not do too much, extend over. We'll do 5 times. 5 times each of the exercise, and we'll close within next couple of minutes, then we'll cool down. Okay? Stay till the cool down. Don't leave in between. If you don't cool down your body, it will take time to recover. Okay? So let's do last set and give your best. 5 times, give your best. Okay? So we'll start now. Pulse squat. Before that, play some music for you guys. Last set and a lot of fun. 5 times, do it, give your best. When people come for the first time, I don't want to stretch you so much. Make sure 5 to 8 times you do it, or whatever you can do it. Or maybe you don't want to do, just relax. Just go with the flow. Because you will finish very fast. There are only lesser repetitions. It will not take a lot of time. But we'll make sure to finish 4 sets. You don't want to keep it unfinished. We want to finish it up. Done. Single leg breeze. 5 times again, each side. Done. We did single, whatever things are done. Pulse squat 5 times, alternate lunge 5 times, and single leg breeze 5 times. Last exercise of the day, guys. After that, you will feel you're done. Quad ruckers. End the day on the quad ruckers, guys. Extend. You can do a little more also. Do the last exercise of the day. Stretch. Keep your body straight. See how I'm doing it? I'm bending over, Try to make it straight. Last exercise, you can do 10 times also, not an issue. Done. Done, guys. Give a round of applause for yourself. You're done with something really great. Give a clap for yourself wherever you are. You have done something which 99% people won't be able to do. We've done a great job. Now the time is to cool down. It's very important to cool down because the muscles are pulled. All the muscles are pulled, in fact, and you might be feeling little tiring, muscles little sore. We need to make sure they are all cooling down. Okay, otherwise you'll have some kind of strains, ache, body ache, and all these things. Okay, so how do we cool down? Few do like this. Good for your hamstring. Cooling down exercises, you can type your data also. How many times I've done? Last set, I know it's 5 times. Little shuffle to cool down. Feeling better. Body is now coming back to normal. After workout, body heated up all the way. So you need to cool down. Take some water. Drag a little bit. Another cool down on your legs. A lot of work on the legs today. We burned almost 400 to 500 calories. So this is another cool down exercise. See on your torso, on your hand, and on your back. Again, stretch this leg. Put it near to groins. Just try to touch your feet, other hand over it, try to touch it and try to pull it. Try to pull this leg, you can feel little bit on the hamstring, the pull is getting created, and also on the sides. Alright, another cool down, pull these 2 feet together close to your groins. You can feel your hip muscles, hip flexors. The pull there, you can feel it and be straight. It feels great, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Very important to cool down. You feel good after this. Little stretch. Pull that together. Okay, another cool down. Lie down. Put your legs together. Put your hands hand on the other side, looking on the other side. Cooling down. Stretching your hands. Legs on one side. Hand point to the other. This way again. Done, guys. Mountain. The mountain. Go to cobra. It's good for your back. You can feel the strain on your back. Little bit back. Feeling the pull. Relaxing the back. And being on a child pose. Great. How do you feel, guys? Did you enjoy? How was the fun, guys? You can see me, I'm sweating. That's good, guys. I wanted to finish our 4th set because so many times we finished only 3 sets and somehow I was not liking it. We have to finish 4th set. 4th set is the ideal set. Even if you do less, but we finish within 1 hour, all the 4th set. Give a round of applause for yourself, guys. I want you to I know this is something great. What you're doing is amazing job. 99% people cannot think about it. Doing workout in the morning, I'll tell you guys, the time you do morning workout, after that the whole day, you'll feel awesome. You feel you are better, you are different, you are standing apart from the crowd. You are not from any other guy who is just bothering what will happen tomorrow. I'm getting a cold, I'm getting a cough, I'm getting fever, I'm doing this act, that act. All these things are happening because you're not taking care of your health. And if you take care of your health, if you do a workout, if you connect to few workout regular basis, I'm sure you'll definitely be healthy, you will be disease free, and you'll be more stronger, and your stamina, endurance, immunity all will increase. So all of you can also, are you by the way promoting this kind of events, this workout event to your friends? I think today I'd like to congratulate Lali. Lali is there. Lali, yesterday he joined, he asked me to join this session, and she also brought one of her friends. I forgot the name, maybe Madhurika. So give a round of applause for Lali. It's all about not being fit. It's not about making the community fit as well. So give a round of applause for Lali because she is able to inspire people to come to these kind of sessions and who can also get benefited out of it. Similarly, give a round of applause for Samarendra also. She has also inspired some people like from US who can come to this kind of sessions and get inspired and get benefited. In terms of people are joining at 9:30, 9:50 and US time in the evening. It's not easy. So give a round of applause for Samarendra, give a round of applause for Lali. They're doing great. Yeah, great. Thanks, great. Lali, all of you guys are doing great job. And if you're not connected to our WhatsApp group, please connect. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are going to have amazing session. We have some yoga sessions as well. And the session will start at 8 o'clock. Okay. Because it's a weekend, we'll keep it a little late so that all of you can wake up and have your, early morning, whatever it is, and join. And you had a great sessions today, guys. Give your comments, recommend, share in the timeline. Let many people get inspired as well. And I had a great ball of a time today, guys. I know I'm feeling awesome. And send you pictures also. We have a WhatsApp group right now. All of you can type, all of you can paste, and you can send your messages, and you can put your pictures. And see you again in next class. Thank you, guys. And have a happy weekend and great weekend. Okay. With this, I'm done. See you again. Bye-bye.